Now about immediate cause. I am making a separate video for immediate cause because it is difficult to upload a big video, and for you also to watch the same video 40 minutes, 30 minutes, it is downloading problem also, data use also. So I am making separate video. This is for immediate cause. Now immediate, as you know, immediate randomly what incident happened, what accident happened that time, and people came against the British government. What happened? There was a gun. There was a gun which was introduced by the Britishers. I am making here a gun. So one gun was introduced by the Britishers, and the company which was making this gun, that is Enfield rifle. Enfield rifle, the people those know the ancient time, this gun was a different type of gun. This gun was not like this. Nowadays people are using the bullets or cartridges and they are inserting into the gun, and then afterwards they can make it fire. But this gun was different kind of gun. In this gun, what was going on? One packet in which gunpowder was kept. One packet was there, and this packet was gunpowder. Gunpowder was there in this packet, and this packet was sealed. And the provision was this, system was this, that they had to hold this packet and they had to remove this seal by their teeth. And the rumor or truth, whatever it is, I don't know. But this was the news that the sealing of this packet was known as cartridges. Cartridges means cartouche. So this seal of this cartridges was made of the fat of cow or pig. This was the reason. Now cow is the most sacred animal among Hindus. They are worshipping cow. We can't use the meat. We can't use the flesh of the cow. And second thing, pig. Muslims are, pig is not sacred animal. Pig is, they are avoiding. Muslims are non-vegetarian generally, most of the Muslims. Some of them are vegetarian also. So, Muslims are non-vegetarian, but they are not using, they are avoiding the flesh of pig. They are avoiding the flesh of meat of pig. And for cow, this was the sacred animal among Hindus. So this was the problem, cow and pig. And this gunpowder packet, cartridges, this was the sealing of this packet was made of the fat of cow and pig. Now most of the people only belongs to two religions, Hindus and Muslims. Both were against this. Whether Hindu said that cow is a sacred animal, we can't use the teeth for removing this. Muslims, they were avoiding the flesh of pig, meat of pig, so they also avoid the using such type of cartridges. This was the incident. And procedure was this gunpowder, after removing this seal, this gunpowder was poured into the gun pipe, and this was settled. Then afterwards they had to fire. In our Bundelkhandi, we use the word, one kind of banduk, one kind of gun that was used in ancient time. It was known as thuknu. Thuknu banduk एक तरह की होती थी, which was gunpowder was inserted into the gun pipe, and then afterwards there was a rod. With the rod they were setting the gunpowder. Then afterwards they were firing. So this type of gun was there in Enfield rifle. The person who refused to use such cartridges was Mangal Pandey. Mangal Pandey the first time he refused to use such type of cartridges. In movie also I think you have seen. So this was the immediate cause. Now the things you have to remember this last, after this I am ending my video. Then you have to remember whether they are asking social causes, then you have to write about Brahma Samaj, Arya Samaj, Pratna Samaj, all these type of Samaj, and these the things those are related to society. If they are asking about the political causes, then in political causes you must have to write about the political life policy of Delhi subsidiary alliance, and second thing is doctrine of Leaps, that was policy of Lord Dalhousie, annexation of our. These 2-3 things you have to write under the political causes. Third thing, if they are asking the religious causes, then you have to write the things those were related to our religion, like using of tilak and keeping beard by Muslims, and the using of kara, turban by Sikh. These things you can write. So religious causes will be complete. Next is military causes. You can write. It was the provision that going across the sea. So that matter you can write. And last is immediate cause. So here you can write this. Economic cause. Under economic causes you can write that farmers were forced to grow the cash crops besides growing of food crops. So this was the problem. Another thing, you have to must write the name of Dadabhai Naoroji and his book name Poverty and Unnoticed Rule in India, in which book he first time described the drain of India wealth. Means how Britishers are taking the Indian wealth, Indian money to England. This you have to write, and immediate cause if they are asking, then you have to write this. Not like this, they asked revolt of 1857, you started writing the story of infantry rifle, there was a cartel, there was a cow fat, pig fat. This you have to not write. Whatever they are asking, if they are asking criticize, then criticize. If they are asking analyze, analyze. If they are asking compare, then you have to compare. So these things you have to remember. In next video, I will come shortly with the next video of geography. So get ready for this. Thank you very much.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.